Hello. I wanted to show you really quickly how to make comments on attendance for your course and create badges to denote special types of attendance situations. So the first thing you'll do, open your course and you'll select attendance from the navigation menu. From here, all the students in that course or in that course section will appear. And I can choose, as you know, to mark a student present, absent, or late. Those are the only choices that you have from this perspective. But wait, there's more. You'll see more out here to the right of each student. Click more. That actually provides you more options. And if I want to, say, create a specific type of attendance scenario, I can do that from here by selecting Add Badge. You'll notice I've added several badges already. And once you add a badge, it is going to be available for every student in this course. So if I want to add a new badge, I can click Add Badge. And let's say I want to add something specific. I can title it what I like. I can come down here and select an icon for that, and even choose a color that I want to associate that with. When I'm done, I can save that badge. Once I've saved it, it's going to be available for any student in my course. Okay. Now, if I made a mistake creating the badge, or maybe I created too many of the same kind of thing, if I want to remove one of these or make amendments or changes, I can come to Manage Badges right beneath Add Badge. And whatever I would like to remove, I can simply choose to delete it here. I have duplicates of this, so I can delete this one and click OK. That's going to remove it as an option for all students in this course. If I want to make a note, I can go ahead and select whatever badge I've chosen to add with that note. Next, I'll come over here to Grades. When I click on Grades, there will be a column now, and it will not appear until you take attendance for the first time. But there will now be a column called Roll Call Attendance. And whichever student it is that maybe I want to make a note about, you know what? It doesn't look like Stevens had really good attendance. Well, let's make a note here. I can click on that particular grade in that column. Click the arrow. That's going to pop this menu out here. And these are the only options that you have in this menu. However, we've already selected our badge, so let's go to SpeedGrader. Now I can add a comment about this particular student. And to move from student to student, the easiest thing to do is click up here and select that student from the drop-down. You'll notice down below, any comment that I've added has a date and timestamp. And if I want to add a new comment, I can simply select the student, add the comment, and then make sure that I click Submit. Once that's done, a new log with a timestamp and date will populate down below. And I can simply arrow through the students up here to look back on those comments. So this is how you would add a comment, add a badge, and keep up with student attendance. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help in any way we can. Thanks.